Greetings, shivering denizens. Welcome to this guided meditation on embracing reconstruction. Today we'll explore the process of rebuilding your life with intention and trust in a guiding presence. This practice is for anyone seeking to create a meaningful path forward. Find a quiet space, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Settle into a position that feels grounded and relaxed. If it feels right, close your eyes or soften your gaze to focus inward. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly rise. And exhale gently through your mouth, letting tension slip away. Notice your breath's natural flow, steady and calm. Let it guide you into this moment, present and open, without needing to change anything. Just be here, breathing in, breathing out. Imagine a cleared plot of land within you, a space ready for something new. This is the foundation of your life's reconstruction, a place to build with care and purpose. As you breathe in, feel this space. Fill it with quiet strength. As you exhale, release any remnants of old doubts or fears. Recall a moment when you felt you were starting fresh. Perhaps a time you made a small change, took a brave step, or felt guided towards something better. Allow that memory to remind you of your capacity to rebuild, to create something meaningful, one choice at a time. Picture yourself standing on this cleared land, holding a single stone. This stone represents a small intentional act, a moment of honesty, maybe a kind gesture, a step toward growth. As you place it down, see it as the start of a new structure, a life built with purpose. With each breath, add another stone to this foundation. Inhale, drawing in clarity and trust in your ability to grow. Exhale, letting go of any resistance to change. Feel the structure taking shape, steady and strong, reflecting your commitment to a new way of being. Envision a gentle light surrounding you, like a guiding presence. Perhaps your own inner wisdom or something greater. This light doesn't demand perfection. It simply offers support, illuminating your next step. Feel its warmth, encouraging you to keep building one stone at a time. As your structure grows, notice it becoming a place of meaning, a home for your values, your hopes, your connections. It's not about speed, but intention. With each breath, feel yourself open to guidance, ready to receive and act on the possibilities before you. Know that this foundation is always within you, a starting point that you can return to daily. Each moment is a chance to add another stone, to rebuild with purpose and trust. You carry this strength wherever you go. Take another deep breath. Inhale gratitude for your willingness to rebuild. Exhale an intention to take one small step towards a meaningful life today. Stay where you are, calm and present, while we transition to the reflection. The September 4th reflection from Alcoholics Anonymous, page 83, centres on the concept of reconstruction as the primary goal of recovery, emphasising a deliberate step-by-step process to rebuild a meaningful life while maintaining sobriety. It underscores that avoiding the first drink is a daily commitment, achieved most effectively by working the 12 steps of AA. The reflection highlights the practical nature of the spiritual life. It's not theoretical but requires active engagement. Step 2 initiates the development of a spiritual foundation by fostering belief in a higher power, while Step 9 marks progress towards living that spiritual life through amends and action. The individual acknowledges their dependence on a higher power to navigate the challenges of reconstruction, creating divine guidance for removing compulsion to drink, a feat that they could not accomplish alone. The reflection stresses the need for ongoing daily connection with its higher power to sustain sobriety and provide the strength needed for the ongoing task of rebuilding one's life. Thanks for joining me today, and keep coming back.